Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 6th June 2022 and the time is 10:33. I've already mentioned my followers that today I'll be a little bit late because of my personal work. And yeah, again, market took the exact support from the PRZ zone, which we mentioned in the weekly forecast video. And I've clearly mentioned my subscribers to get out of the market today. No need to trade today. And we are able to identify this at 9:28 a.m. itself, that today it's going to be a premium meeting day and there won't be any movement at all. So let's go to just a minute. And today our timings rocked literally. So this was the weekly game changer number. First I gave in the morning, and clearly at 9:29 itself, I clearly mentioned, even if it holds the 15 minutes low when the market opened, then it's going to be a premium eating session only. And nothing happened today. Nothing happened today. This analysis, it is not based on option chain analysis. It is just observing the price of options, and we can able to identify this in a minute. Okay, so even though it took 15 minutes low, it is not broken. And I clearly said it's a premium meeting session. Please get out of the market or close the laptop today. That's what my clear suggestion to everyone, and that is what we did today. And we are holding our Bank Nifty short, which we created at 35,771, and we initiated some more short in Nifty today. Because it went and touched our 5 minutes blue and red in fortune signal. So we initiated a short today, and make or break candle, which we gave at 220 to 225, which actually predicted this 215 to 220, and I gave this timing at 145, and this is where market made the high. And after that, nothing happened, and it was like flat closing. And today, you know that it was a trend change date, and break above today's high 250 points on the up move, and break below today's low 250 points on the sell side. So nothing much to talk about today's market. And as I mentioned yesterday, this was our timing candle. Beautifully it worked. After that, nothing happened. So market, wherever it opened, and Bank Nifty was ugly, it was trading only within the first 5 minutes high and low for the whole day, even though it took the exact support from the PRZ zone. Okay, so now let's go to Bank Nifty on 1 hour, and this is what I mentioned, that this blue color line will act as a support, and I've already mentioned the number also, 35064, and today's low was 35072. And if you go to Nifty, my number was 16,430, which I mentioned yesterday, and today's low was 15,444. But nothing happened. It took the support, but nothing happened. Even though it went up above this 1 hour high, I said no buy today, because it was a clear premium meeting session, which we was able to observe in the beginning itself. So we avoided the market, but we created the short. Why we created the short? Because in 5 minutes, it has not given a buy till now, because the sell came here and it has not given a buy till now. And it came a little bit, came here and took the support also. And in Bank Nifty also, there is no buy in 5 minutes. So whenever it went and touched our blue and green, it got rejected here. So anyway, tomorrow break below today's low, 250 points on the upside, downside, break above today's high, 250 points on the upside in Nifty. And today it was a lot of consolidation. So tomorrow and 8th, I'm expecting some kind of a big move happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And Nifty future numbers are getting converged. So most probably it will converge tomorrow. And Bank Nifty is still in negative. So it is not advisable to take a long in Bank Nifty, and we are holding our short position in Bank Nifty, which I already told you on my weekly forecast. Okay, now let's go to PPT tomorrow. Okay, watch out this. Yesterday in my weekly forecast video, I clearly told, mark these 6 companies high and low of today. Okay, and by God's grace, today there was no big movement in the market. So the high and low of today was very narrow. If you take DLF, it is only 6 rupees movement. It is only 6 rupees, and Grasim, it is only 30 rupees. TVS Motor, not even 2%. Biocon, 7 rupees. And Indian Hotel, this is what we are going to concentrate on, Indian Hotel, based on some other strategy. So very, very narrow margin. And here also it is only 50 rupees kind of a stuff. So mark the high and low of this, right? If you want to put your trend line, RSI and all that, you can do. According to me, above this, buy, stop loss this. Below this, go short, stop loss this. Finished. And believe me, this high and low of these 6 companies will do a miracle in the coming days to come or coming months to come. Just mark these counters, high and low of today, and watch the magic. And I've already told you in my weekly forecast video that today's high and low of these 6 companies will hold for an year till 2022 ends. So watch out, market, and use it to the maximum, because the risk reward ratio is very, very favorable. Even if it's 1 or 2 times, but third time if it gives money, it will be a mega move. So watch out and use it. And coming to Bank Nifty, till it is all in red, so there is nothing to talk about this. And Nifty, this is red, rest everything is little bit okay. And I think this is also red. Yeah, this is also red. Sorry. So it closed below. Just a minute. I think it's close to below. Yeah, it's close to below. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so these two are in negative, and the support is here. Break below, the support is here. Exactly, it came near to this level and took the support. And this is what we mentioned yesterday in our weekly forecast video. Right, and tomorrow's numbers are here. I have not changed anything. So I'm going with the same thing. Nifty intraday decider and the positional decider is here, and this is the positional decider, and intraday decider is here, and support numbers, resistance numbers I have already given. Today everything, all the numbers, it went and got resisted there only. And if you go to Nifty weekly number, which I flashed in the morning open, and this is where it struggled, literally struggled, market. And here also this literally struggled. It is not moved at all, right? And today it closed to below. And this one also it closed to below. So unless and until it closes above this for 15-20 minutes, there may be a bullishness. Otherwise, if it breaks these 4 numbers, and everything will be in pain. Again, it came and took the support here only on the bullish number, on the bearish number, and went up today. So watch out. This 4 numbers is more than enough for you to trade this whole week till Friday. And RBI meet is there on 9th. Let's see what happens on 9th. Okay, so now whatever I talked there, I've mentioned here. Kindly watch it out. And in case if market close above 3rd June high, it is literally good. And it is consolidating to the core. Let's see what happens. But I'm expecting a trending move in the next couple of days. Watch out. And Bank Nifty is in minus. So avoid Bank Nifty going long unless and until it breaches above this number. Unless and until it doesn't go above this number, kindly be very, very careful. And again, on the top, it is 35,721 and 35,937 is already sitting on the head. Okay, so watch these 2 numbers. Unless and until it doesn't break this number and close above for 15 minutes, please don't initiate any long in Bank Nifty. Below this, you can definitely go short, or you can use these 2 numbers in Bank Nifty spot and future to initiate short positions. And even though this is a buy here, but try to go buy only about this number, right? So all the numbers you already have with you, and I've already mentioned everything here. So kindly go with it. And that's all, nothing more to talk about this. No need to talk about anything on the graph also. Maybe I'll try to. Okay, so this was the very, very important number which I already mentioned. Okay, make or break here, very important number. And today it came exactly, touched that number and bounced. touch that number and bounce 35,304, and it is also March 28th low, which is very, very crucial, very crucial, because this was a mega trend change date which happened in March, and market respects those dates very, very clearly. Okay, and if you go to Nifty 1 hour, still yeah, it took the exact support from here on the Ichimoku cloud, so break below this low, it will be more painful, watch out for this 16,404, right? So nothing more to talk on this. Now I just want to show you only one stock which we are going to concentrate here. Okay, so why this is very, very important today? Because I'll tell you. See, this is today's candle. Mark the high and low. I've already marked here. And if you go, there was one more trend change date which happened on 17th May for Indian Hotel. The same high and low, this candle high and low and this candle high and low is more or less the same. And here it was a little bit of dilly-dally. Here also it was a little bit of dilly-dally. But once it went up, and till now it is not closed below that level. So break above this level, it's a jackpot buy. Break below this level, it's a jackpot sell. And this is our resistance number for the month, and this is the support number for the month. So below 224, 100% this guy will definitely go bad. And if you go and remove all this and see fortune signals, exactly it came, touched this blue and red and went up. And here also it came, touched the red and blue and went up. This is on daily. Okay, so like this, today mark everything. Maybe if you want, you can go to DLF also. DLF extremely, it's in bearish. And again, this was a very, very small candle. Watch out. And monthly number is 330. And this is what I mentioned in the morning itself to my subscriber. Above 330, it is bullish. Below 323 is bearish. And today's high was 330 and low was 323. On the dot. Okay, and this I mentioned yesterday itself to my subscribers. Watch out for DLF. And all these numbers we give in the monthly forecast. This was the number. Daily O&M is 323, today low. And yesterday, this I mentioned in the morning, decided 330. Exactly today's high, this is 330. Closing price 331 yesterday. Watch 15 minutes high and low. Same, Indian Hotel. These two stocks itself is more than enough for you to ride for this whole year. Just concentrate on these two stocks. Because risk reward is very, very favorable in these two stocks. And more or less, my one number magic and decider number is also within this high and low of today. So we are going to play in these two counters, whether it is long or short, we will be in this counter till this year end. Let's see how much money we are going to make in these two scripts, right? And I've already given my subscribers this, sorry, I cannot open now, monthly reference sheets here. Maybe I can show you now. Just a minute. So these are the monthly reference sheet, which I talked about in DLF. It is already here. So like this, we are able to identify the stocks resistance and support level for the month, which will not change, for the whole month, So like this, we have for all the stocks, but we will try to concentrate only on the stocks which are coming under trend change dates. So watch out. And tomorrow there is no stock for trend change date. And 8th, I think it is PVR. Let's watch PVR. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. Expecting some kind of explosive move tomorrow or day after. Let's see whether it is on the upside or downside. And 907 number is there with us to take that move. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 907.